Welcome to your personalized business app, your new home base for managing all of your business's digital marketing. This video will give you a complete overview of your app. In this app, you'll find everything your business needs to be successful. It's a place to keep your business information, like hours of operation, in sync across the web. You can manage your reviews and social media here. There's automatic reporting to better understand how your business is performing, and access to additional turnkey solutions, all to help your business attract more customers. Let's get started. First, you must connect your Google My Business and Facebook accounts. This unlocks key features of this app. You can also connect your Google Analytics, which provides you with detailed website reporting. Within a few seconds of connecting your accounts, you'll uncover insights into how your business is performing online. Navigate back to the dashboard to see data now available in your marketing funnel. This shows you the total impressions, engagements, and leads your business has garnered over a specified period of time. These numbers are fed from connections you've made, as well as apps and services you may have active. These metrics are crucial for you to follow, as this is what drives revenue and growth for your business. You'll also see a card with all of your business's information. This information should always be accurate and up to date. If a change ever happens to your hours of operation, address, or phone number, you should update it here so it syndicates out correctly online. Below the marketing funnel is the customer journey. This funnel shows the steps your customers take to becoming advocates of your business. Each piece of the funnel, awareness, findability, reputation, conversion, and advocacy, show tactics to reach people and drive acquisition. The more advocates you have, the more revenue you can earn through loyal customers. By clicking any of the buttons in the funnel descriptions, you'll be taken to a freemium product that allows you to take action on that step in the funnel. Included with your app are great tools for managing your reviews and online reputation with reputation management, communicating with your customers and requesting reviews with customer voice, syncing your business information across the web with Listing Builder, scheduling social media posts to multiple networks from one place with social marketing, monitoring your online advertising campaigns with advertising intelligence. Click on any tool to get started and learn more. And want to see how your business is performing online over time? Go to your executive report. Here you will see a roll-up of data about your business online that reveals how you're improving across the web. Each section will get more insights as they are collected each week. Finally, if you are looking for any other business solutions, you can browse the products and services we have available in the store. You are now ready to start managing your digital presence. Save your app to a bookmark so you can come back anytime.